Hello and welcome to more difficult questions from our equivalent expressions. Let's see in its simplest form and choose the answer option that correctly represents. Okay, so this is going to become x power minus 3 over 5, y power 4 over 5 in the numerator, and then x power 2 over 10, and y power minus 6 over 10. So for the x powers, I'm going to get minus 2 over 10 is 1 over 5. Okay, and for the y's, I'm going to get 4 over 5 minus 6 over 10, so plus 6 over 10. That gives me x power minus 4 over 5. Is that one of the answer options? It's either A or D. And y gives me what? It gives me 14 over 10, which is 7. I'm just going to add this up on my calculator so that I don't make a silly mistake. 7 over 5. Yep, that should be the correct answer. Next question, given that A equals to this and B equals to that, write the expression in terms of A and B. So basically what I can do is I can say that if I cube this, so X is basically A cubed and B cubed is Y. So I get sixth root of A cubed squared and B cubed power 4. So I get A power 6 and then power 1 over 6 because of the root, and B power 12 and then power 1 over 6. So I get A power 1 and B power 2. Okay. Next question, which of the following expressions is equivalent to the given expression? Okay, let's first subtract the powers. Minus 1 over 3 minus 1 over 6, y power half plus 1 over 4. So 1 over 3 plus 1 over 6 with a negative sign. That's x power half with a negative sign. And y power 3 over 4. So I think that should be the correct answer. Then which of the following expressions is equivalent? I just see power 1 over 3 being applied, so 4 over 3 and 2 over 3 in the denominators. A cylindrical tank has a volume of cube root of x squared cubic inches, cubic units. The height of the tank is twice the radius if the tank is enlarged, so that the height becomes 3 times the radius. Which of the following expression represents the new volume of the tank? Okay, the problem with this question is that it doesn't tell me what x is. I'll have to check. I think that sort of tells me what I need to do. Volume of a tank is 2 pi r pi r square h basically. Okay, if I take the height as 2r, it gives me 2 pi r cube. So 2 pi r cube is basically equals to cube root of x squared. Okay, then the height then becomes 3r. So pi r square h becomes pi r square 3 times r, so 3 pi r cube. Okay, pi r cube is basically cube root of x squared divided by 2. Okay, so my answer should be 3 cube root of x squared divided by 2. Let's see which one of these will give me the same answer. Okay, if you look at this denominator, this last one, that should give you the correct answer. There's 3 pi outside. Cube root of 8 is 2. And cube root of pi cube will give you pi, and the pi's will cancel out. So it will match my answer option, which is 3 cube root of x squared divided by 2. Let's look at the next one now. There are more difficult questions coming up. Let's see these. Okay, so cube root of 6 and square root of 8. That is pretty clear. Let's simplify the powers for the variables. Four over 2 and y power 2 over 2. So x power 2 divided by x power 2, y power 4 over 3 divided by y power 1. So x cancels out. I'm only left with y, and y power 1 over 3. That should be the correct answer. Okay. Then x power 4 over 3, y power 5 over 3, x power 2 over 6, y power 3 over 6. So 4 over 3 minus 1 over 3 gives me with x power 1. So either A or B should be the correct answer. Then subtract the powers. 5 over 3 minus half. 5 over 3 minus 3 over 6, which is half. That gives me 7 over 6. Okay, that is... Oh, my bad. I shouldn't have done that. Okay, so that gives me x power 1, and I think this one will give me minus 2 over 3 minus 1 over 6 will give me minus 7 over 6. Okay, let's check this one. Okay, a power 3 over 4, b power minus 2 over 4 multiplied, so minus 1 over 6, b power 4 over 6. The powers are going to get added together, so 3 over 4 minus 1 over 6 because there's a negative there. So a power 7 over 12 and minus 2 over 4 plus 4 over 6. 1 over 6. So b power 1 over 6. So a power 5 over 3, b power 4 over 3 divided by c power 6 over 3. So c only simplifies, that's c squared. So let's see which one answer option balances. Yes. I will have to, I think, go through the answers again because I did one of these questions wrong and it won't let me complete the session. That was the one that I got wrong. Uh, that was the correct answer to this one. That was the correct answer to this one. That was the correct answer to this one. No, half and plus 0. Yeah, and this was simple. I think that should be it for this topic. No, there's still more questions repeating. Let's quickly get done with these. I remember most of the answers, so I'm just doing them very quickly. Uh, 3 over 4 minus 1 over 6, so 7 over 12 minus 2 over 4 minus half plus 2 over 3. Okay, that brings us to the end of this topic as well. I will see you in another video with a different topic now. Thank you for watching.